Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Lasers are ubiquitous in everyday life, finding applications in a multitude of areas. They're crucial in medical procedures, like corrective eye surgery and dermatology, for precise and minimally invasive treatments. In entertainment, lasers enhance light shows at concerts and events. They're used in barcode scanners at retail checkouts for efficient item scanning. Communication technology benefits from lasers in fiber optic cables, enabling fast internet connections. Lastly, in manufacturing, lasers cut and engrave materials with high precision, revolutionizing production methods.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.